Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up taxes on Shopify. So in order to do this, we just need to head over in here on our settings. And then under the settings, we should be able to see here the taxes and duties. So you need to make sure as well that you have been collecting taxes to all your products. So in here, you just need to choose which region or country you're gonna charge taxes. So this is where you're operating. So for me, it is on the Philippines. So I'll just click on this Philippines right here. And in here, as you can see, I have here this default tax rate, which is 12%. So I can just head over and reset this right here and reset tax rate. And in here, I should be able to see that I have a 12%, and I have this added to 12% federal tax, or instead of 12% federal tax in all of these things right here. So for me, I'll just put in here everything into 12%. So make sure that you put in 12% and all of these things right here that you have. So once you have headed over and then tried to put in 12% tax, which is the recommended tax on my country, it actually depends on what country you're gonna get some tax. But after you have done everything, click on save right here. And as you can see, tax settings for this particular region has been saved in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.